Is your network security managed through network-wide software solutions? If so, it is very likely that a cybersecurity gap can occur the moment the network connection is lost. This means that stealing corporate data is as easy as unplugging a computer from your network. This is why physical network and computer security is so necessary. With the SmartKeeper LAN Cable Lock Plus, network cables can be physically locked into place, preventing intentional or accidental disconnection. The LAN Cable Lock Plus can easily be installed without unplugging cables that are already connected to the network. To unlock the device, simply use the SmartKeeper port lock key that is associated with your locks. This is the quickest and easiest LAN cable lock to install and requires no electricity, software, or special expertise. That's smart. That's SmartKeeper.